Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, has informed that work orders have been issued for Package 1, Package 2 and Package 4 of the Shillong-Dawki road project. Speaking to media persons, Tinsong said, in fact, the Government of India, through the NHIDCL, had already started to resume the work for Package 1. He said then Package 2, again, final work order has been issued and now the machineries are being brought and very soon they are going to start, as well as Package 4. Right now, the final work order has been issued and few more official documents has to be completed between the contractors, the company and the NHIDCL.
So I'm happy to tell you that now Package 1 and Package 2 and Package 4 work order has been issued. Package 1, in fact, Government of India under NHIDCL, they already started resume the work. Then Package 2, again, final work order has been issued and now the machinery is being brought and very soon they're going to start, as well as Package 4. And in Package 4 again, right now, final work order has been issued and few more official documents has to be done between the contractor, the company and the NHIDCL.
BJP Sikkim